si ravno dolg?
Ne skrbi, meni so šli super. Čisto enostavno je. Daj mi malo kamenčkov, v njih ta svetečih. Malo tega. Daj mi malo vilinskih bleščic. Bleščic, ne čuplic. No, dobro, bo šlo tudi s tem. No, potem mi pa daj še malo unga.
Vem, kjerega unga. Ja, kam sem ga pa?
Ja, to je zdaj poglavitno, da tole pravilno takole. In samo 2 kapljice, 1, 2, super. No, napoj je pripravljen.
Katerega bo pa probala?
Ja, lahko ga ti.
Joj, veš, sem lih prejedla kosilo, pa zaradi tega, ker vem, da si tako odlična v svojih napojih. Mislim, da bi bilo najbolje, da ne probaš ti.
Tudi prav.
No, se počutiš kaj drugač? Ne. Ne? Kaj pa, če mene pogledaš?
Tudi ne.
Kaj si pa potem naredila?
Mogoče nekaj nisem v redu naredila. Včasih se mi to zgodi.
Mislim, da sem se pa jaz zaljubila, ko sem zamuhala ta napoj. Kako sem lepa, najlepše bitje na svetu sem.
Ne, tole pa ne bo v redu. Okej, gremo naprej.
Dear future husband, here's a few things you need to know if you wanna be my one and only. All my life.
Take me on a date, I deserve a pay. And don't forget the flowers every anniversary. Cause if you treat me right, I'll be the perfect wife. Buying groceries, buying what you need. You got that 9 to 5, but baby so do I. So don't be thinking I'll be home and making up a lies. I never learned to cook, but I can ride a hook. Sing along with me, sing along with me. Hey. You gotta know how to treat me like a lady, even when I'm acting crazy. Tell me everything's alright. Dear future husband, here's a few things you need to know if you wanna be my one and only all my life. Dear future husband, if you wanna get that special loving, tell me I'm beautiful each and every night. After every fight, just apologize, and maybe then I'll let you try and rock my body right. Even if I was wrong, you know I'm never wrong. Why disagree? Why disagree? You gotta know how to treat me like a lady, even when I'm acting crazy. Tell me everything's alright. Dear future husband, here's a few things you need to know if you wanna be my one and only all my life. Dear future husband, make time for me, don't leave me lonely, and Lord will never see your family more than mine. I'll be sleeping on the left side of the bed. Open doors for me and you might get some kisses. Don't have a dirty mind, just be a classy guy. Buy me a ring, buy